Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by choosing the exact tap or die that matches the nut's pitch and diameter, because precision prevents cross-threading later. Clamp the nut firmly in a vise, and make sure to protect contact faces so you don't deform it. Once clamped, clean debris with compressed air and apply a few drops of penetrating oil. This reduces friction and reveals damaged peaks. Then begin a slow, controlled recut. Turn forward 1 full turn. Back off half a turn to clear chips. Steady rhythm, steady alignment. You continue by focusing on the damaged zone. Keep the die handle perfectly square to the nut's axis so threads reform evenly. Apply light, consistent pressure and turn forward 1 full revolution, then reverse half a turn to break chips. This prevents jamming and keeps cuts clean. Every 2 to 3 passes, stop and inspect with a loupe. Remove burrs or sharp peaks with a fine file if needed. If metal is displaced, gently reshape before another pass, and reapply cutting oil to maintain lubrication. You finish by running a mating bolt through the nut to confirm smooth engagement. If it binds, identify the tight spot and make a light recut only where needed. Once the bolt threads freely, deburr both faces and clean with solvent. Then apply a thin coat of anti-seize or thread locker depending on service needs. If the bolt still won't seat, recheck pitch and die selection, consider using a slightly shallower cut, or accept that replacement is necessary. One key troubleshooting tip: verify.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.